Éireann has said the 13-day heatwave has officially ended, but the high temperatures will continue. A heatwave is classified as 5 consecutive days of 25 degrees and over. Well, Maggie Doyle joins us now live from Clontarf. Well, Maggie, the heatwave over, but high temperatures set to continue though.
Well, it certainly doesn't feel like that today, Kate. And this evening here in Clontarf, it's absolutely beautiful. There's lots of people still enjoying this lovely sunny evening. People are still in the water swimming. There was lots of boat activity as well out on the water all this afternoon and evening. And earlier today, Met Éireann did indicate that Ireland could be on track to equal the longest heatwave that the country has ever had, which was 50 years ago in 1976 in the August of that year, when there was 2 weeks of consecutive high temperatures. It did come close this afternoon in County Cork, but not quite close enough. And here's what the forecaster had to tell us a short time ago.
So provisionally today, a temperature of 24.9 degrees was recorded at Moorepark in County Cork. So that ends the heatwave at that particular station, which lasted for 13 days. So today is the first day provisionally since the 4th of July where a temperature over 25 degrees wasn't recorded in Ireland.
And that dry, hot weather, as we know, has led to some very noticeable forest fires. And today in County Wicklow, the fire service said around 300 to 400 hectares of mountain was burned. That was in the Glencree Featherbed area. Firefighters and National Parks and Wildlife Service personnel were on the scene today. There was a helicopter as well helping out. They've extinguished most of the fire, they've told us, but they are monitoring some areas, as there are still some areas that are smouldering with that very, very dry earth that's up there. The immediate cause of the fire so far is not established, but it's understood that it could be human error but accidental. Now, temperatures, of course, as we've been hearing, are falling, but there is a wind rising that has been causing them some concern, so they will continue to monitor that. Of course, this prolonged high temperature that we're having has been lovely. Lots of people really enjoying an actual summer and the lovely long summer days, but of course the nights have been muggy as well, and some people finding those a bit difficult. Lots of things to do and to enjoy, of course, out and around the country. And earlier we were just up the road in Raheny at St Anne's Park for Dublin City Council's Rose Festival, where there was lots to see and do for all the family. And I asked some of the people there how they've been coping in the heat.
I am melting. Absolutely melting. Yeah.
Everything is really fun.
Okay, and what about yourself?
It's because I just get to eat ice cream like all the time.
Are you loving summertime?
Yes.
Is it not too hot?
Only a little.
We found that difficult at night. A few rolling around the beds, taking half an hour to go to sleep. But they just slept longer in the morning, so it didn't impact us too much.
2 weeks. I mean, it's been going on now for a while.
It feels more than 2 weeks. I thought it was like 4 weeks. It's been amazing. We've had a really, really good run of it, and even just going to work on my bike in our town. Happy days when the sun is shining.
How are you finding the heat with a little baby?
Fantastic. It's great. No, once he's sun creamed, a little in the shade here and there, we're doing well. It's just fabulous to have this weather, so we're really making the most of it and enjoying it.
It's hard at night time, but yeah, we've coped. It's lovely to get it. We better not complain, it'll chase it away.
So hard, especially if you're in a building that doesn't have much windows and stuff like that. So yeah.
It's a bit of payback for January and February. This is just the most wonderful summer, so very happy.
Well, Met Éireann says that the dry, hot weather will continue, so the heatwave might be officially over, Kate. But of course, Met Éireann, the forecaster, still telling people just to be aware of the hot weather, and particularly vulnerable people in cases of, heat stress, dehydration, to always be careful around water, wear your sunscreen, and of course, enjoy it all very sensibly. Back to you from a sunny Clontarf, Kate.
Maggie Doyle, thank you.